Hey everybody, and welcome to Al Outdoors. Thanks for stopping by. Tonight we're going to talk about what I take when I go for a wander in the woods. Nothing overnight or anything like that, just when I go out for a walk during the day, whether it's just to clear my head or to check out places to camp, new bushes I haven't been in, looking for fatwood or birch bark, whatever. I carry it all in my Hidden Woodsman haversack. I also attach my water bottle pouch onto the side. This has got my water bottle, my Stanley Cook kit, my GSI mug, everything I need that if I want to stop and have a drink or have a coffee, I've got what I need. There's a zippered pouch in the front. As soon as I get out of my truck, my phone goes in it, my keys go in it, my compass is already in it. This is a Silva Ranger, a really nice compass. Friends of mine bought it for my birthday for me. In that front pouch I also carry a notebook and a couple pens, write down ideas, where I find, stuff like that. I also carry, these are sugar tablets. I'm a diabetic, so in case my sugar drops, I have this just so that I don't get in trouble when I'm out there. In the main pouch, I carry a pair of leather work gloves. I carry my folding saw. I carry a small tripod that will basically grip anything. And a selfie stick for my phone, because I don't always take my main camera out, so a lot of times if I'm out there and I find something interesting that I think you guys would enjoy, I'll use my camera or my phone. The other thing I carry, because I use my phone sometimes, is my battery pack. This is an Anchor that I got in a trade from my buddy Dave over at Wheels Gone Wild. On my hip you'll always see my Schrade SEHF 36. I made a new sheath for it last year at the Oshwell Rendezvous. I mounted a 1/2 inch by 6 inch ferro rod on the side, so that's always on my hip. I always carry a plastic bag in case I find any like birch bark or fatwood or wild edibles that I like. It's always good to have that on hand. I carry 2 Leatherman pouches. This one carries my larger Swiss Army knife and my Through Night 1A V3 flashlight. And in the other one is my Leatherman Wave that I got from Mike Barton. Thanks a lot, buddy. Basically, other than maybe another pouch on the side opposite the water bag or water bottle bag, maybe a possible pouch with some toiletries or whatever in there. Like I said, it's nothing major, but it's something that is usually with me all the time. When I go to my truck, it's something that I grab. It may not have the water bottle pouch on it, but everything else is basically in it. And with my nice knot on my hip, it's in the haversack so that it's ready for when I need it. That's about it for what I carry into the woods for just a daytime hike. I'd like to welcome my newer subscribers. I've got a few from a couple of the different channels that I've had contact with. Josh down at Frogtack Sanctuary did the new graphics for my homepage and the banner there, and the banner for my Facebook group. If you're not a member, you can always go on Facebook and look up Al Outdoors. I've got a Facebook group there that we bounce ideas around with. People post links to different things. If I see a giveaway or something like that on YouTube, I usually post it on there. I think it's something that it will interest the people in my group. It's usually posted. Another thing is I got myself a sticker board because a lot of people, a lot of the channels that I watch use stickers, so I got me one, and I even christened it with Kevin's decal right up here. So I've got one on there. It's just, I like going outside. I like making these videos. Like, I know I'm not the best at it. I'm not no spokesman for anybody. Like, I do reviews on stuff that I have, that I've used. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you. I don't do a lot of reviews, but I'm a small channel too. But it's just something I enjoy. And I think I'm rambling, so I'm going to stop. So, for now, everybody be safe, be careful, and enjoy your dirt time. Thanks a lot, guys.